Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about addition, subtraction and multiplication of weight. It is similar as previous and very easy. And addition, subtraction, multiplication also similar to usual multiplication, subtraction and addition. Here we only follow the branch columns. Okay, let's come with the example. Example: add 12 kg, 85 gram, and this is the symbol of and 9 kg 325 gram. So similar as previous, first we make two columns, one is kg, another is gram. So in kg column 12 kg, in gram columns 85 85 gram. Now to conf now in grams columns we have to write the value in 3-digit number, then it is more easier. Otherwise you can do some mistake and another thing. So it is better we put only always we put always the number in grams column in 3-digit. So 850, how to make 3-digit? If we put 0 at the end of the number, then it becomes 850 and the value is 85, not equal. So we cannot write 85 as 850. But if we write 8085, then 085, that means 85, and value is not changed. Okay, so here put 10 and second value 9 kg, 3 to 5 gram. Okay, so 550, 8 to 10, 1, 11, carry 1, 5 by 10, 5 by 10 and put 0, carry 1, 8 to 10 plus 1, 11, 3 plus 1, 4. So 410, 9 to 11, carry 1, 1, 2. So what is the answer? Similar as normal addition. 21 kg 0 gram. Now the question is, if here come more than three digit number, then that case what can we do? Similar as previous thing. Another example: add 12 kg 8 to 5 gram and 9 kg 355 gram. Okay, in that case, here 550, carry 1, 10, so carry 1, 5 to 7 and 1, 8, 3 plus 8, 11. So 11 we put only 1 here and other extra will carry. Okay, so here 1 carry, so 1, 9 to 11 and 1 carry 12, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so answer 22 kg 180 gram. This is the answer. Now the question is, why we have written here only 3-digit number? Why? So the answer is, if the gram is more than 3-digit number, 4150, or this one only, so 8311, so here come 881180 gram, and we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, 1000 gram. So if it's more than 1000, if the value is more than 1000, that means if 1000 place come or 10,000 place come more than 1000, that then it can be convert at kilogram and gram, or kg or gram. So if we convert last three digit gram and other digit kilogram, so 1 kg 180 gram. Okay, so if we add, the value is 1180 gram, but 1180 gram, that means 180 gram and 1 kg. So we put 180 here, and this 1 kg add with the kg. This is the actual region, but no need to think about it in class 3 standard. You solve as usual, usual addition. You add, and if there is any value, we add as a carry. And subtraction also similar. Okay, subtraction also similar. There is no difference. Okay, so if the question is subtract 9 kg 3 to 5 gram from 12 kg 0.85 gram. Okay, if the question is subtract this value from this value, so 10 minus, okay, 8 kg 8 kg. Okay, subtract 8 kg 3 to 5 gram 325 gram from 12 kg. In question written in this way, 85 gram. So 12 kg 85 gram, and I told we make it 3-digit number, so 0.85 gram, and we subtract this value from this value. So first we write this value, and after that this value. So if we subtract now, so 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 2 is 6. Now we think 0 as 10, so 10 minus 3 is 7, and it become 1 1. Okay, one drawing, or you can think another way. I always subtract in this way. So there is one carry, we add the carry with lower number, so it become 9. So 2 minus 9, so 2 think as 12, so 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay, so 1 minus 1 0. You can use your process, no problem. So as usual, subtraction, nothing more. So answer 760. In class 4 standard, you know more about the conversation, how to convert, what is the region, and total table, milligram, centigram, decigram, gram. I already discussed in previous video how to convert, how to like that. Okay, and it is also very easy, similar as normal multiplication. If the question is multiply 12 kg, multiply 12 kg 3 to 5 gram by 8. So in kg columns the value is 12, in grams column 3 to 5 multiplied by 8. Okay, so 3 to 5 multiplied by 8. Then as usual multiplication, 5 8 is 40, 0 carry 4, 8 to the 16 and 4 20, carry 2, 8 3 is 24, and 2 6 26, carry 2, 8 to the 16 and 2, 8 to the 16 and 2 18, 8 carry 1, 8 1 is 8, and carry 1 9. So what is the answer? Answer 98 kg 600 gram. There is no problem, similar. Okay, now if the question is, now if the question is multiplied by 12. Okay, if we multiply by 12, then some difficulties will come. We cannot multiply direct in one line. Okay, if you know the table of 12, then it is very easy. But as usual, we need two lines. So you can solve in this way. So first you multiply these two value in graph. 3 to 5 into 12. So what is the value? 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, 1, 5, 3 to the 6 into 3 to 5. What is the value? 0, 0, 8, 9, 3. So 3900, 3900. Or you can directly add these three with the answer of kg. Okay, as you wish. Or first you write the value, after that in second line you put these three, or you add these three with kg. And another value is 12 into 12. 12 into 12. So 12 into 12, 2 to the 4, 2 into, so 144. So 144. And we know that in grams column we put only 3 digits. So these three can come, these three will come into kg column. Okay. So these three add with the value of kg. So value of kg is 144 and plus 3. So 144 plus 3, that is you can write, that is, or you can implies, you can have implies sign, or you can better write equal to. So if we add 3 with this value, then it become 147, and here 900. So what is the answer? Answer 147 kg 900 gram. Okay, this is the first way. Another way, you can directly write the answer. So what is the value in gram? 3900. So we know that we put only 3 digit. So 900, it in here, and 3 as carry with, add with the result of kg column. So what is the result of kg column? 3. So here you add 3 and directly write the answer 147. So answer 147 kg 900 gram. Okay, as your wish. Or you can directly multiply here. No need to show the multiplication in the graph. So you can directly multiply here. 0, 6, 5. Okay, as your wish. In which process you can then this multiplication you can show here. After that you can write the result. Okay, no problem. As you wish. So very easy, as similar addition. Today's tax. Today's tax. Tax. I think 8D maybe.